Hooks, OBJ. This is the wing we want. There's the stairwell.
Yeah. What's the move?
But I think they're fighting this stairwell.
And they've got that under lockdown. They've got the staircase under lockdown.
Do you guys have a second?
What you need?
Set up the make of the cross angle for these guys. We need more guns on floor on that side. Guy here for us.
I killed the one that was in the far room. He's dead.
You want to run in and try to get in rooms and fight from room to room?
Get down?
Do you want to run in and try to get from room to room?
Yeah. All right. Left or right? Which one?
I don't know yet. He's shooting at this left room, so I'm the one left.
Hit!
Oh, fuck.
I can be medic.
Hit. Well, good thing I made it.
We just boxed ourselves in.
Yeah.
I'm about to lay down some fucking hate on him with this full auto in a second. Thank you.
How'd that make it?
I don't know.
We're gonna know.
Fucking front. Sink. Throw her back in the sink.
Oh, here we go. Oh, my gun just fucked up. God damn it. I hit him dead to rights. They just... I think they just turned back.
No, they're still there. They're stacked up. I can see it.
Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. They are all stacked up. Ah. My gun is screaming at me, telling me to stop.
Dude, buddy right there, you can go. Yeah, that's rough.
Shoving up there, it's all good. BBs ain't hurting nobody.
Oh, no, that was a gun, right?
Yeah, gun hit.
That was close. I just saw a BB fly up.
Right here. Hit you.
Got it! That scared the shit out of me.
You hear my gun screaming for mercy?
Yep.
It's a low battery.
They have been. Yep. All right, we're good.
Still in?
Yeah, I haven't.
So that's an MG42. It's a mounted machine gun that they have.
We heard the ref back here explain what it was.
And he's like, yeah. He's like, they can lay behind it if they want. Like, technically it's cover.
Yeah, well, whatever.
It's just good that we're going to drag around sandbags full of styrofoam peanuts and build cover as we go. Okay, we'll play that game. Like mobile fortifications. All right.
My problem is it's not even. They can't even use it. They're not allowed to.
What is this, squad? Use a shovel and. Well, I guess we took this corner.
Yeah, I mean, fucking finally.
Yeah, it looks like a fucking leg.
Yeah. I thought it was
a dude prone out. Yeah.
Our teammate just got lit up.
Bushman. Oh, dick shot! Fuck!
You all right?
Dick shot! I'm hit.
Kyle, I think the bushes at the corner, I saw a little bit of light getting broken up behind
Dick
it.
shot! Oh,
I don't see anything in reflection.
my poor dick!
My dick.
My dick!
Oh my God.
My dick!
I don't even know where that came from.
Careful on that thing. Thing's too sketchy.
Buddy ate, by the way.
I'll get you.
Thank you.
Ready?
Oh God, you just pinched me. Oh God, it hurts.
It was right behind the armpit too. That's the worst spot.
At least he didn't pinch you in the dick.
How did I get hit too? Like out of all the fucking people, I get shot in the dick.
Who's it? J-Dab last time?
Yeah.
We got it on video too. That's fucking hilarious.
Fuck,
Everybody kept on the corner like I'm staying on here by myself. We got lit up.
I have no idea.
I don't know where that shot came from.
Oh, at the corner of the bushes.
Yeah.
So right at the corner, he's shooting through the bushes. You see the foliage fly up.
Oh, thanks, Cookie Bear.
It came from that direction.
I'm gonna light it up real quick,
All right, do your thing. You got.
or not. Try again.
It is so mad at you.
I just changed the battery.
The gun hates you.
I just changed the battery. It's just the excessive current, the heat. I don't know.
Yeah.
See him? Oops, sorry.
You're good.
That's okay. I'll hold down the hammer on him.
My hop's too far to the right. I literally have to turn it 45 degrees to go straight.